Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And in this video, I'm going to be going over a email marketing software that I came across. Well, it's not just email marketing. It's a couple of things, different things and tips and tricks you could do with this. It's called Jarvis.AI. It's a software bot that could generate human-like emails. Okay, so I'm going to go over that real quick. All right, there's different categories as well too. You could um, write long form content, which is like blogs and stories like that. You could do different frameworks. The AIDA framework, use the oldest marketing framework in the world. Attention, interest, desire. You could do the PAAS framework, problem, agitate, solution. This is basically used for like marketing and stuff like that. You can do a content improver. You can do a creative story here. But what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to do like email marketing. Okay, so that was one of my problems starting out in the beginning. So I would get writer's block and a lot of other issues that came from that, and I would never do an email follow-up series, and that's what stopped me. But ever since then, I had a bit more success with marketing and getting sales and different um, different customers ever since then. So I'm gonna get to it right now. We're gonna go ahead and click on email. Okay, so you have the content improver, you have the persuasive bullet points, personalized cold email. That's what we're gonna do first, and then the email subject line. That's what we're gonna do last. So we're gonna click on personalized cold email. Right now, this is a company that I joined recently. It's called the Real Vacation Lifestyle, or TRVL, as some people call it. And I already preloaded what I wanted to write in here, what I wanted the emails to be about. And then the inputs, you could, or not inputs, I'm sorry, the outputs, you could put up to 7 because it takes 7, they say it takes 7 tries or 7, a person has to see something 7 up to 7 times before they take any interest in it and possibly get it. So we're gonna go ahead and click on generate AI content. All right, and then we're gonna let that load. And I'll show you here what it does in a minute. It's still loading up right now, so we're gonna skip this one. Let's see. So this one seems good. You're in luck. I found an amazing company that will take care of your travel needs. You'll get discounts and make money online. You can even offer this program to your clients too. I know you've been searching for something like this. It's like having a personal assistant who works for you nonstop to save you time and money. So this one's pretty good. And then let's see, you want to take a vacation, but you don't have the time or money for it. You deserve vacation. Yep, this one seems good too. So, all right, perfect. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go over. So I have two tabs open up. So we're gonna go over to our subject line now. So what we're gonna do is just take this out, and we're gonna put in. We're gonna generate a new subject line. So get ready to go on a real vacation, and then I'm going to be the new face. Why should you shine up? Get ready for a new vacation. We'll just get that one. All right. So once we got that one, okay. So we'll just simply go into a software uh, or lead generation system called leadsleap. We'll go into that. All right. And then this is just program that you could capture leads with. You could create landing pages, and then email. You could create an email series follow-up. It's a very powerful system. I do have videos on that as well too. So what we're gonna do is go to email series. Okay, and then we're gonna go up here to list manager. And so pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna just simply add a new list, and we'll just call it test for now, and then add new. Okay, and then so it has to be activated first, but we're not for time purposes because it's you have to do extra steps. We're just gonna I'm just gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go through the motion. We're gonna click on these double envelopes, and then we're just gonna simply add new. Okay, and then this is gonna be your day one, and then you're just gonna go into you're gonna go back here. Okay, and you're just gonna simply copy this, or you could actually customize it as well too. It's highly customizable. And then so you could write in it, and then you're just gonna simply copy and paste. Or you could, like I said, you could do it to your liking, and then boom. And then you could edit, you could highlight it, put links in there, and just edit it to your liking, and then you're gonna put the subject line in there as well too. So we're gonna go back. Let's see. And then we're gonna copy that, and then we're just gonna simply go back into leadsleap, and then boom. And then you could email a smart greeting, and then that's just putting like the code, and then first name, and then another that code again, and then it'll just automatically put in the first name of that person, and then that's about it. So if you have any issues with writer's block or doing an email follow-up series, because that's very important. You just can't send someone to the company landing page. That's what stopped me a lot of times from making any sales. So you could do that instead. Now, if you are interested in the program, in the software, it's called Jarvis.AI, and it is a free trial. You could try it out. If you like it, great. If not, that's great as well too. And then leadsleap is also a free marketing system as well. If you are interested in any of those programs, go ahead and click the link below. Thank you.